is called black chokeberry, aronia, and it is a native plant. The chokeberries come in black or red. The black chokeberry is one of the highest antioxidant foods in the world. I call it chokeberry because it's very tart. I kind of like it. My family doctor, I take her berries every year because she did some research on it and found that it is very helpful. We've planted it all the way down on the dunes in Lewis, so virtually maintenance free, very salt tolerant. Has fantastic fall coloration too as well, like bright oranges and red. The fruit will be ready around the end of August, 1st of September. And as you can see, every one of these flowers will produce a berry. So we get about 15 to 20 pounds of fruit off of each plant. So it's one of my favorite bushes. You purchase from the conservation district, this is the size you will get. These are already producing flowers. They will have a few berries this year, not as much as the hedge. This plant is about 2 years old. So in about another 2 years, they'll be about the size of the hedge. They grow really fast, grow wet, dry, shade, salt tolerant, a very versatile plant. I'd like to spotlight the Atlantic white cedar. Atlantic white cedar is, they call it a cedar, but it's actually a cypress. It's a native plant on the eastern coastline, and it grows almost perfectly straight. One of the values of this is the timber in it doesn't rot. So in colonial days, they built ships with it, they built shings with it, they built the sailing masts with it, they built telegraph poles with it, and they pretty much timbered it out. As you can see, the seeds are relatively small. We haven't seen any germinate yet this year. We took cuttings from these trees early in like November, and then we potted them up, and you can see that they're starting to root. And these trees grow really fast. They grow like 2 feet a year, and they have a really nice fragrance to them. So if you have a wet area that's not underwater but is mucky and stuff, these trees are the one to go for. We're trying to build up the population of them on the East Coast. Again, there's several organizations that are dedicated to trying and replanting these. In the Delaware Wildlands, planted around 10,000 of them, I believe, in the burnt swamp area. The only problem that I see with these is the deer think they are wonderfully tasty. But they're a nice plant. We like to grow them simply because there's not that many of them around anymore.